Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a modern browser and a page to test on. Once you open DevTools with F12 or CMD plus Option plus I, switch to the Console tab. You will type code directly into the prompt at the bottom. This runs in the page context. Make sure the page isn't in a restricted iframe or extension-only view. If you plan to reuse commands, clear confusion by using the up arrow to recall previous entries. Now you're ready to enter your first short script. Type a simple expression like 2 plus 2 and press enter to execute it immediately so you see results and error messages. Once done, use Shift plus Enter to compose multi-line functions or paste blocks without executing prematurely. Use console, log to print variables and inspect, or copy for complex objects. Make sure to reference elements with document. Query selector when interacting with the page DOM. If you need persistent testing, wrap code in an EIF to avoid polluting global scope. When you finish, test interactions and page behavior. Run commands step by step to confirm effects. If output looks wrong, wrap suspect code in try/catch and print error details with console. Error. Make sure the console is set to the correct frame context if the site uses iframes, because the wrong context will make selectors return null. If something still fails, reload the page and reproduce the issue, watching the console for pre-existing errors that might block your script from running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.